Welcome to your library. Here you can find your materials, uploads, and collections all in one place. Get a quick overview of your content, from total materials and questions to formats you've used. To find something specific, use the search bar, filter by format, or change the sort order. Prefer a list? Just click the List View toggle. You can also click the star to favorite materials. Quickly find what you need by typing a keyword into the search bar. Your results will appear instantly. Next, click the Uploads tab. This is where all the files you've added from your computer live. You can search your uploads too. Just type in the search bar to narrow down your file list. To organize your materials, click the Collections tab and select New Collection. Give your collection a name. Inside a collection, you can browse its contents and even create folders for better organization. Click +Add Materials to open a list of your content. Then click the Add button for each item. Once added, you can easily move materials between folders. Just click the drop-down to select a new location.